we want it at 15. Let's say 20. 20 will be better. So we want it at 20. The color, let's change the color as well. We don't want a color that is too dark. Let's put it blue, just for the purpose of the example. So we have the color that is blue. Want to change the type of text as well. So in this case, let's say we want this type of text right here. So basically, we can change everything that we want. We can even have 3D letters. It's possible. So right now we have we have the text as we want it. We can put it whatever we want. So let's say we want our text right here, which is perfect. So as you can see, you can do whatever you want with text. There's a lot of other modifications that you guys can add and work with, which is pretty cool. But let's stay to the basics. So we have our quote right here, which is never give up